Alright everybody, today we're going to be making a video. I bought some of this Cerakote restoration trim restore kit. Works pretty good. You can see right here where I already applied it on the front end of the side-by-side the other day. In today's video I'm going to be putting it on the roof. Roof is pretty messed up, scratched up, and it's faded real bad. I do keep this covered, but as you can tell, it's been used. So we're gonna put one coat of this. I got about 5 wipes left out of the box. You can see there where I did the back half of the side-by-side the other day, and I just hadn't finished it. I need to order some more. I get it off Amazon. Again, it's Cerakote name brand. So right here I had done half of it. You can tell the difference. I mean, self-explanatory. Now I know that a bunch of other name brands are out there for trim restore, but I've used a couple of them, and some of them might work better than this, but you're not going to get the length of time that you're going to get with this out of the other name brands. It's really good water repellent at first. Here you can see me applying it. So in the box it comes with 10 wipes. Each one of them is individually sealed, and once you open the package you want to go ahead and use that little wipe. It opens up to about a 4x4 square, and the chemical's already on it. So the box is about $12. I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. Right here is actually 2x speed on the video. I sped it up a little bit, but not sponsored by these guys. It just, man, it works really well. I use them on my F-250 on the plastics. On the side-by-side, I'm going to eventually, once I get some more in, I'm going to actually go over the whole side-by-side camouflage plastics. Right here you can see where I've done the front. Another comparison. The gloss shine will go away as it dries. It dries after about 30 minutes. You can see I also had done the black top vent right there above the little compartment, but like I said, just ran out of wipes, so I'm gonna order some more. It was kind of streaky, which was the first time I had noticed that, but I think it's just because it needs a second coat, and I'm gonna end up going over the top again. But I think the plastics had just soaked up that chemical so fast. I think a second coat would do it good. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video.